Imagine your favorite plant taking a long trip. It can't ask for water, it can't move toward the sun, yet it still needs care. What if its box could act for it? In robotics, everything starts with sensing, but ends with action. The actuation subsystem is where ideas become movement, light, or sound. It's how a robot changes its world. A relay works like a robot's fingertip. It lets a tiny digital signal press the power switch for bigger devices, safely and precisely. This pump acts as our little plant's heartbeat, circulating water whenever the soil gets too dry. And when the sun hides, our LEDs become a tiny star, giving light energy so the plant keeps growing, even inside the box. Here's our concept: a 2-layer shipping box that keeps the plant alive wherever it goes. The top holds the plant, its light, and the water outlet. The bottom houses the brain, our Raspberry Pi Pico breakout board, and the actuators that make care possible. The relay acts as a switch, turning the water pump and LED sunlight on or off when conditions call for it. Together, these pieces form a tiny, self-contained life support system for a traveling plant.